Hey guys, and today we're going to be checking out this MAONO microphone. That's right, this is a podcast dynamic USB microphone, but you can also connect it through XLR. How cool is that? It has programmable RGB, one key mute, anti-pop. We can sit here and talk about it all day long, but the best thing to do is let's go ahead, we're going to zoom in, we're going to unbox it, and then we're going to test it out. So let's get to it. Alright, so here's the microphone right here. It's quite a nice little box, full color, semi-gloss finish. They're proud of this product because they took the time to make nice packaging for it. Go ahead and open it up. Here's the moment of truth. And you get a book right on top. You have these little silica beads. You have your cord. It is a USB to USB-C cord. But the cord does have an adapter on it that's built onto the cord that you can unplug this, and it can be a USB-C to USB-C. You have the microphone itself. Check this thing out. This actually feels very quality. It's got the shock mount on it, as you can see right here. This is all aluminum housing. Here's your RGB light around here and around your knob. Here's your little mute button right there. Here's your gain knob. And it's a clicker too, so I guess you would click it once and you could turn the gain up on your mic, or you could click it and you can turn up the monitoring for the headphones, because it does have a picture of headphones and a microphone right there. On the back you can see that big XLR port, you can see the USB-C input, you can see your headphone jack input as well, and then here's the little clicker button that's going to control your RGB. Very, very cool. And then inside the pack you do have this adapter to adapt your microphone to different size mounts. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, because we've been running on this little microphone right here, I'm going to hook this microphone up. We're going to test it out and see how well it works. Okay, so here we are on the MAONO podcast microphone. How does this sound? Now this is a dynamic microphone, meaning that you need the end of it pointed to the source. So if you turn it up this way, the sound is not going to be nearly as good. So you do need to have it pointed in this direction. And MAONO does make a mic arm that I would recommend that if you buy this mic, you get that mic arm to go with it. It makes for a flawless installation. But how is this microphone sounding so far? Now there's a couple of little things I want to show you real quick that I noticed once I powered it up. I'm going to bring the camera down for you. And I'm going to try to keep it pointed at me. But you can see the green light right here. Let me turn this light off. The green ring is right here. The more gain that you put into the microphone, the brighter the LED gets. So as I turn it down, that it will actually get to the point of shutting off. Now if you tap this, the ring will turn blue, and now you're adjusting the output for the headphones. And I know I'm introducing a bunch of wobble or tapping noises by hand holding this microphone, and I apologize for that, but I want you to hear the mic as I show you its features. Then we'll tap this to go back to the gain adjustment. Now if you want to mute it, you just tap. You can see that when I muted it, the ring turned red. And then on the bottom down here, we're going to hit the little RGB button. And you can see we have white, we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, purple, rainbow, and then back to white. So there's tons of options for this microphone. Now you can see the shock mounting. It is like two rubber bands here, two rubber bands here, two here, and two here, to keep this thing from jostling around. But how does this microphone sound? So overall, I think you're going to be quite happy with this microphone. There's a very real possibility that I will be replacing this microphone with this one. I think it's going to make my sound that much better. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.